The definition, characteristics, categories, examples, and applications of mainframe computer shall be discussed in this episode. At first, the definition of mainframe computer. A mainframe computer is a high-performance, powerful, and large-sized computer used primarily by large organizations for bulk data processing, transaction processing, and running large-scale enterprise applications. These systems are known for their reliability, scalability, and ability to process vast amounts of data simultaneously. Next, the characteristics of mainframe computers. High processing power. Mainframe computers are capable of handling millions of transactions per second. Large storage capacity. This sort of computer is designed to store and process extensive amounts of data. Multi-user support. Mainframe computer allows thousands of users to work simultaneously. High reliability. It offers minimal downtime and high fault tolerance. Scalability. It can be expanded by adding more processors, memory, and storage. Security. Mainframe computers are equipped with robust security mechanisms to protect sensitive data. Batch and real-time processing. Mainframe computers supports both batch processing, it means processing large data at once, and real-time transaction processing. Centralized computing, also another characteristics of mainframe computer. This sort of computer operates as a central hub for processing data across multiple terminals. Next, the categories of mainframe computers. We shall discuss different types of mainframe computers here. General purpose mainframes. This sort of mainframe computers are used for transaction processing, batch jobs, and enterprise resource planning applications. Next, supercomputing mainframes. It is used for scientific research, simulations, and complex problem solving. Then cloud integrated mainframes. Mainframes that work alongside cloud computing for hybrid IT environments. Industry-specific mainframes. It is customized for banking, healthcare, government, and telecommunications. Next, the components of mainframe computers. We shall discuss the common components of mainframe computers. Firstly, central processing unit, CPU. The main processing unit responsible for executing instructions. Then main memory, RAM. Large, high-speed memory for storing active data and applications. Storage devices, high-capacity storage such as RAID systems, magnetic tapes, and SSDs. The input-output channels used for connecting to multiple terminals and peripheral devices. Operating system. Specialized systems such as IBM ZOS, Linux on IBM Z, and Unisys OS. Networking components are high-speed network connections for data communication. Power supply units, redundant and fault-tolerant power systems for continuous operation. Next, the examples of mainframe computers. IBM Z series is one of the examples of mainframe computers. It is used in banking, insurance, and large-scale enterprise operations. Next, Fujitsu GS21 series. It is designed for high-volume business applications. Next, Unisys ClearPath Dorado, ideal for mission-critical applications. Hitachi AP10000, a powerful system for big data analytics. Bull Sequana S, used in scientific computing and cloud computing. Now we shall discuss about the application of mainframe computers in different sectors. Number one, in banking and finance sector, mainframe computers are being used for processing millions of transactions per second, ATM operations, and fraud detections. In healthcare sector, This sort of computer are being used for managing patient records, billing systems, and insurance claims. Also, it is being used in government and defense sector for handling census data, military logistics, and intelligence analysis. Next, the retail and e-commerce industry. This sort of mainframe computers are being used for managing online transactions, supply chain management, and customer databases. Next, in airline reservations, it can be used in airline reservations by powering global airline reservation and ticketing systems. Next, the telecommunication. For supporting billing, call records, and data processing in telecom industries, it can be applied. For scientific research, it is being used in simulations, climate modeling, and genome sequencing. Here are the advantages of mainframe computers. Number one, high processing power. Mainframe computers are capable of handling millions of transactions per second, making them ideal for large-scale operations. Next, massive storage capacity. It can store and process vast amounts of data efficiently. Next, the multi-user support allows thousands of users to work simultaneously without performance degradation. Then the reliability and stability. It is designed for 24/7 operation with minimal downtime and high fault tolerance. Scalability, it can be expanded by adding more processors, memory, and storage as needed. Next, the robust security. Advanced security features protect against cyber threats, ensuring data integrity and privacy. Efficient data processing. Mainframe computers support both batch and real-time transaction processing, making it suitable for financial and enterprise applications. Then the centralized computing. It enables efficient resource management and reduces redundancy across multiple departments. Then virtualization capabilities. It can run multiple operating systems and applications simultaneously. The last advantage, cost efficiency in the long run. Although the initial investment is high, mainframes reduce operational costs through efficiency and reliability. Now we shall test our learning outcomes. Number one, what is a mainframe computer? Option A, a large powerful computer used for bulk data processing, or option B, a type of supercomputer used for simulations. Which is the perfect definition of mainframe computer? Correct answer is A. A large and powerful computer used for bulk data processing is the mainframe computer. Next one. Which of the following is not a characteristic of mainframe computers? Option A, reliable and secure for critical business applications. Option B, designed for gaming performance. Which one is not a characteristic of mainframe computers among these two options? The correct option is B. It is not a characteristic of mainframe computers designed for gaming performance. It is not a characteristic of mainframe computer. Next question. Mainframe computers are commonly used for processing what? There are two alternatives. One, simple arithmetic calculations. Option B, large-scale business transactions. Which one will fill the gap? Number A, simple arithmetic calculations. Number B, large-scale business transactions. We have to find out the answer for mainframe computers are commonly used for processing what? The correct answer is B. Mainframe computers are commonly used for processing large-scale business transactions, not for simple arithmetic calculations. Next question. What is a major advantage of mainframe computers? Option A, requires minimal maintenance. Option B, high-speed transaction processing and reliability. Which one is the major advantage of mainframe computers? Requires minimal maintenance or high-speed transaction processing and reliability? The correct option is B. High-speed transaction processing and reliability is a major advantage of mainframe computers. Next question. Which of the following is a well-known mainframe computer brand? Either Dell Inspiron or IBM Z series. Which one is a well-known mainframe computer brand? The correct option is B. IBM Z series is a well-known mainframe computer brand. That's the end of this episode. Thank you very much. Next, the end of this episode.